How to use dual Instagram apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you are here, navigate to the Instagram website to add it to your home screen. After the website has loaded, tap on the share icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the share menu with various options. From the menu that appears, find the Add to Home Screen option and tap on it. On this page, you can customize the name of the shortcut before adding it. Once you are satisfied, tap on the Add button at the top right corner. A new Instagram icon will now appear on your home screen. As you can see, you now have two Instagram icons on your home screen, the original app and the new web shortcut. Following these steps, you can easily use dual Instagram apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.